Good morning. Sorry for my voice, I just woke up. I mean morning. It's like before 10 because I'm a night owl and I go to sleep very late, so therefore I wake up really late. I thought I will make a what I ate type of video just to keep on theme with non-beauty videos on my channel. Typical. So I always try to have 4 of these a day. It's 500 ml of water, and sometimes I succeed, sometimes I don't, but that's okay. I always try to drink at least 4 of those because what is life? What is life? I just feel so much better when I'm hydrated. So this is my breakfast: oatmeal with banana, cinnamon and maple syrup. And yes, I like a lot of cinnamon. Oatmeal is so aesthetically pleasing and you can make it look so pretty, but once you mix it up, it just looks like a goop. It's really tasty though. Breakfast is done, now it's time to sort this out. I hope you enjoyed my quick get ready with me. I really tried to do hair. I really tried. It's just kind of fine. It's nearly 1 o'clock now and I'm feeling like a coffee. This is a very Polish thing to do. I just came back from there. I've been for a short holiday and they usually eat breakfast, then a few hours later a coffee with some sort of sweet or a cake. I'm not having the cake because I am an overweight person. I've been for a couple of years, so I'm trying to cut back and eat more healthy. But I will have the coffee. And I also forgot to put on my jewelry, so I'll do that now. Yum. I've just been editing my makeup video and it's time now to go and get lunch. I think I'm going to go into town just to try to find something more interesting. Probably going to try this place. I wanted to go for a while too. It's called Eden's Kitchen and they do poke bowls and like Buddha bowls and stuff like that. It looks delicious online and really healthy, so I'm going to try that and also going to go grocery shopping for dinner. My lunch was delicious. I got Tex breakfast bowl without the chorizo. It had basmati rice, sweet potato, avocado, black beans, and poached eggs. I just came back home and I'm having another bottle of water. I'm not doing that well with them, to be honest, today. This is only my second one and I'm supposed to have 4, so you know, it will be a struggle till the end of the day, but I hope I will make it. For dinner, I'm having my famous tomato and pesto salad. We're just going to watch the first episodes of The Rings of Power, eat this, and turn in for the night. That is it for what I ate vlog. That is all I ate in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and till next time. Not good time to record in the morning.